know that stairs inside a home can be a great inconvenience and, very often, an insurmountable obstacle for elderly people, persons with reduced mobility, or simply when you get there laden down with shopping or your baby's pushchair. In these cases, installing a home lift makes a considerable contribution to your well-being while adding value to your property. Being aware of this, MP Lifts introduces its MP Mobi HOME. The ideal solution to turn your house more comfortable and accessible. MP Mobi HOME removes architectural barriers in your home, thus making access to any space easier. It offers solutions with a capacity for 2 to 5 persons, with cars up to 110 centimeters width and 140 centimeters depth that can be adapted to almost any space. This lift moves at a speed of 0.15 meters per second and a rated load of up to 385 kilograms. Their appearance and functioning are identical to those of a conventional lift, since they always have a door in the car and all the components have been designed in accordance with lift standard EN 812, thus ensuring their safe and comfortable performance. The safety provided a car door eliminates the need to hold down the button throughout the travel. Moreover, it does not stop until it reaches its destination, so thus preventing the risk for passengers to be trapped between 2 floors. In the event of a power outage, MP Mobi HOME is equipped with an automatic rescue system that will take the car to the nearest floor and open the doors, so you never get trapped. It is also available with the option of remote maintenance and a monitoring service with an emergency telephone number, operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. MP Mobi HOME fits perfectly into any building since it requires minimum pit dimensions from 15 centimeters and reduced top floor height of only 240 centimeters. You can choose from a wide range of finishes to ensure it integrates perfectly with the aesthetics of your home, and you will even have the option to customize it to your taste. MP Mobi HOME. Accessibility, safety, and comfort. MP Lifts. Moving people.